Hey, Isabella, what do you usually do in your free time?
Hey, Lucas. Well, it depends on my mood, but I really enjoy reading books and watching movies. What about you?
Nice. I love watching movies too, but in my free time, I prefer playing sports or going to the gym.
Oh, that's great. Do you go to the gym every day?
Not every day, but at least 3 times a week. It helps me stay in shape.
That's awesome. I wish I had the motivation to go to the gym. I usually just go for walks in the park instead.
That's good too. Walking is a great way to relax and stay active.
Yeah, I love being outdoors. Sometimes I also go hiking on the weekends. Do you like hiking?
Yes, I enjoy hiking in the mountains whenever I have time. It's a great way to escape the city.
Absolutely. And what about hobbies? Do you have any?
Yes, I like playing the guitar in my free time. Music helps me relax. Do you play any instruments?
No, but I love listening to music. I always have music on when I'm at home.
Nice. What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to a bit of everything, but I love pop and jazz. What about you?
I like rock and classical music. It depends on my mood.
That's cool. Do you do anything creative in your free time?
Sometimes I like drawing and painting, but I'm not very good at it.
Oh, I love painting. I took art classes a few years ago, and now I paint whenever I have time.
That's amazing. You should show me some of your paintings someday.
Sure. And what do you usually do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to hang out with friends or go to the beach if the weather is nice.
That sounds fun. I love going to the beach too. I also enjoy trying new restaurants and traveling when I get the chance.
Me too. Traveling is one of my favorite things to do. What's the last place you traveled to?
Last year, I went to California. I visited Los Angeles and San Francisco. It was an amazing trip.
That's awesome. I went to Florida last summer and spent a week at the beach.
Sounds like a great vacation. So, if you had a full day off, what would you do?
I think I would sleep in, go to the gym, and then watch a good movie. What about you?
I would probably wake up early, go for a walk, and then read a book or paint.
That sounds like a relaxing day.
Yeah, it's nice to have free time to do the things we love.
Definitely. Well, maybe one day we can go hiking together or watch a movie.
That sounds like a great plan. Let's do it.